So the AccuSump is full of engine oil and pressurised with air. I turn on the ignition, which opens the solenoid, and the oil is forced through the various galleries and appears here on the cam lobes.
After repressurising the AccuSump, I've got the oil pressure light to go out and just see a little bit of oil pressure building there. It was higher, I just didn't have the video camera running. Previously the iPhone ran out of storage, so I'm going to crank it one more time just to prove to Guy Croft that I've got oil pressure. There we go. Okay, this is starting the Lancia. Seem to be working. Plenty of oil pressure. Nice and quiet.
Lance from OJZ Engineering designed and built an exhaust system to get me through the track day noise test.
No, the alternator's not working.
Alternator's what?
The alternator's not working. We have got a little oil leak on the top of that union there.
Why have you got no bolt?
I don't know. Let's have a look at that.
To answer my dad's question, it transpired the alternator warning light wasn't large enough to excite the alternator, so I fitted a resistor in parallel. Problem solved.